So there are a lot of, they are already getting partnership with the big, that ad giants like UAE United, or that they support the technology thing. So Veraview already, they have partnered with the Veraview. So I think there's a lot of money coming to the Veracity, and that will definitely hike the price of the Veracity. And also the quarter 3 bond will be soon, quarter 4 bond will be soon. And also the, the moving to, they are moving POB tokens to Tron blockchains. This will happening soon. Also the user who stake the Veracity in their wallet will get all the, like a little bit portions of the POB token on their wallet as well. That's a big thing for the community, and like we have been updating with the Veracity different things. So I am definitely seeing the Veracity is going much higher in this all season. So let's start with Bitcoins are currently where we are now. So here at the time of the recording, so Bitcoin price is like $65,266. So this is the weekly chart of the Bitcoin. Let me check, are we at like the bull market support band or not, because that's the main thing we have to check.